Okay, this is May 27th. This is ALGO Prime One Strategy Development Software. If you have listened to these videos before, then you know that ALGO Prime One is a software that's used for developing a strategy. It itself is not a turnkey strategy, but allows you to apply different user inputs into the GUI in order to come up with different results. And this is one that I've traded pretty much standard right along. This is my own setup and strategy that I use for the Russell 2000 E-mini futures, otherwise known as the TF. And I have a setting of 3 tick, 25% open, 200% reversal size. This is the Logik Ultimate Renko. ALGO Prime One uses the Logik Ultimate Renko for trading. And you can see right here that right after the market open, in fact, I get in at 9:29. And the reason I do that is that I prefer getting in just prior to that first move on the Russell 2000. If you've traded the TF very long, you may know that if you jump in at 9:30, especially if you're using an automated strategy, you may be too late. So getting in 1 minute prior to that move is often you can pick off the first move of the morning. And so that was the move right here. It came just after 9:30. But I began the strategy at 9:29 and ran this one through 9:55. That again is something I typically do just before the 10 o'clock chop hour. Of course, you can see what happened right up here through 10 o'clock. We did have some chop just prior to that. So I like trading this right around to the 9:50 period or 9:55. Today we went to 9:55 and we had some good response. Now if we go back one extra day, it's days like today, let me just say this, it's days like today when you can really capitalize on days when it doesn't do so well. For example, let's go back to the prior day, and we notice here that when we had 9:29 market open, we did have a signal that came in about 9:31. We took a very small bit there. We took a small trade there. We took a small trade here. And then we got stopped out there, and we took a small trade there, and the second contract got stopped out. So when you have those days that just don't work out very well, it's nice to have a day like we got today. And that's often one of the reasons why you can use that second contract to let it run. But if you were interested, just send an email to contact@algoprime1, or excuse me, contact@algoprime.com. Contact@algoprime.com. Thanks for watching.